Dobson. Word on the streets is that you're crazy. And I honestly believe you are.
Listen, if I was really crazy, I'd run up inside an orphanage and torment kids and beat babies' faces with bags of oranges. Fake my origin and tell people that I was born to sin. I'd go back to feeling molested, born again. I would murder a nigga then steal his body from whatever morgue it's in and take it back to an alley to torture it. Study all of the Freddy Krueger, Michael Myers, and Chucky horror flicks.
Baby, is that a knife you have in your hand?
Of course it is. I run around crazy like the Afghans do in some black camp boots, wearing the fucking Batman suit and screaming bitches like a fat man scoop. Then tell them to take a deep breath, cause this will be the last chance to. I hate on everyone who's ain't gifted. Claim that my brain is missing while sniffing cocaine and then cut my dick for the pain Olympics. If I was crazy, I would go pick up the mic and use it and tell Dwayne Carter that I really like his music.
But I'm not crazy, I'm just a tad bit strange. I can't control the thoughts that always travel through my brain. Oh no, not my fault, so don't blame me. I swear to you that I'm not really crazy, crazy, crazy.
If I was manic, I probably would've neglected my responsibilities and made society respect it. I'd walk around in a dress with a can of gas and blow up a motherfucker for laughing with half a match. Dig up all the baby cadavers and grab a basket and shoot them through every window of every crib that I'm passing. I'd probably be back a couple hours later and fuck them with every bottle I cut them within my labor. Take a breather, make a haste of it and bounce toward the house that's adjacent of it. Chase everyone out and take them down. Tell them I'm the devil and I'm claiming everybody for a battle that's crazier than my brain is. Grab a chainsaw, blow the fucking dust back, leave it off, still ready me a new bloodbath. Run back to the psych ward, check my perimeter and get him before they knew that I left.
But I'm not crazy, I'm just a tad bit strange. I can't control the thoughts that always travel through my brain. Oh no, not my fault, so don't blame me. I swear to you that I'm not really crazy, crazy, crazy.
Yeah, I won't lie, I'm not as crazy as glue. But if I was, let me describe all the bullshit I would do. I jack off with sandpaper while I'm watching The View, picturing Whoopi bald-headed stroking cock with her booze. I throw babies in dryers, strangle tweakers to fidget, contract HIV willfully just to purposely give it. I'd mug mothers on welfare, swim in gallons of gas, meander to the batting cage and use my dick for a bash. If I was the range, I'd cop me a chain, make it rain like Washington and throw a stripper some change. Make her work it on the floor, pussy pop on her handstand, lick her dirty snatch and film it all on my webcam. Honestly, I'd be itching for gunplay. I cocked the 45 and shoot up church on a Sunday. I'll hijack a plane while it's still on the runway, rope the stewardess and take the passenger's chop change.
But I'm not crazy, I'm just a tad bit strange. I can't control the thoughts that always travel through my brain. Oh no, not my fault, so don't blame me. I swear to you that I'm not really crazy, crazy, crazy.
My legs are dangling off the edge. The bottom of the bottle is my only friend. I think I'll slip my wrist again and I'm gone, 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 gone. My legs are dangling off the edge. A stomach full of pills didn't work again. I put a bullet in my head and I'm gone, 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 gone. Gone too far, yeah, I'm gone again. It's gone on too long, tell you how it ends. I'm sitting on the edge with my two best friends. One's a bottle of pills and one's a bottle of gin. I'm 20 stories up, yeah, up at the top. I polished off this bottle, now it's pushing me off. Asphalt to me has never looked so soft. I bet my are tangling